he really likes, he wants to hold puppies, but he's not really sure. Do you want to hold the puppy?
Wow! Good job!
Good job, dog.
Do you want to hold the puppy?
Yeah.
Put your arms out.
He's gonna be a wiggler.
He's okay.
He's not trying to bite you, Parker.
not
He
trying
wants
to
to
bite
kiss you.
He wants to kiss. Woo! He just diddled.
Puppy! He's so excited to see little kids.
He says they're almost my size.
He says, I've never seen these before.
Where's our car go?
It's underneath in the garage.
Oh, puppy.
He's like, nobody loves me. Nobody wants to pick me up. Whoa!